Because we were always the boys that said, more power,
Fuck the brakes.
forget the brakes.
Who wants to live these days?
Yeah, that's it.
I'm saying that. Who lives these days?
I don't know, again, suggest, see if, I don't know.
What colour do you want to go?
I don't know, people suggest what colour we should go.
I can't really tell right now because...
Yeah, we need to wash it. But once we washed it, should be able to tell them.
We ain't rich.
Yeah,
Oh my God. Wow. Wow. She can ruin my life.
Yeah.
Boom. We're back in today's episode.
What we got? We got the Mark 7 GTI. Just gonna get big brakes put on that today, and then obviously whilst my car's there, we'll go through what's wrong with my blue Golf 4. You got these big brakes going on there. The Forged Motorsport ones. I know it says Porsche on them, but we bought them like that. But the Forged Motorsport, so hopefully should all fit and get some more braking power. Currently these ones, what we've got on it now, they tend to just once you've done a bit of braking after a bit, they most likely just well, the discs are warped as it is, so they start shaking the whole car once you've done a few runs on it. So it's in need of bigger brakes anyway, and I've got a few other things that I need to sort out as it is on there, but hopefully we should have this sorted. I got should have it back within the next 2 days or something, but I'll see you at JBM. We'll get down to JBM. Alright, nice one. Boom. Yo, that's the catchphrase.
Brother, boom!
That's it.
Put some John into it, man.
Yo, we're going to collect the GTI, innit?
Oh,
Ready for that salt? Yeah, it's been like a week, man. But we're in the beast right now, yeah. Fucking he's going serious.
Man's holding at these pussy holes. Come on.
Yo, you're gonna thinking, yo, what's going on here?
He could have gone. Let's be legit, yeah. He could have been.
He can't fucking drive, bro. He's just...
These brothers, fam. Yo, show him the weapon, yeah?
Watch the shit.
Yo, this thing, yeah, second years lead to this.
Watch the weapon.
These man don't know shit.
Watch it. Watch that shit. Fucking hell, bro. Could have darted it down that way, though.
Well, now we're fucking too late, aren't we, pal?
Yeah, you don't know how to drive. You forget when you start darting things around corner and that, innit? That's what happens with you, innit?
Bad bitches in.
Bully your way in, innit, fam?
Nah, we're alright in this late, man.
Nah,
I think.
I just bullied your way in now.
I'll bully my way in. You mad, fam? Are you mad? She's having a fact. She's doing this.
Yeah, we're on our way to JBM Performance. Go get these. Go get
these.
No, fucking.
You're acting like we got bare whips.
Yeah, but there's 2 of them right there now, innit?
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, there's 3.
Yeah, well,
Technically, but
yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go get this. Go pick it up. It's about 4:30, innit? That's why dirty traffic, man. It's about 4:30. Hate picking up cars at Artfu. About Artfu. But yeah, let's go pick you up. We'll get his reaction to see.
Listen, these
big brakes.
These discs, calipers have been waiting for
6 months, innit? 7 months. Easy. They've been just sitting in
the back of the bull of that thing. But obviously, yeah, we ain't rich.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh my God! Wow! Wow! She can ruin my life if she wants to. Wow! God!
Fuck you, that's
Wow.
serious, him.
What are you using the dead thing for?
Yeah, that's you, innit? That's your problem. You love driving this, innit?
Yeah, look.
I think the gearbox would leave the chat in a bit.
Okay, K20 swap soon land.
Yeah, why not, innit? Why not? Who cares, innit? Why not?
We can't sort of wheel bearing out, never mind do a K20 swap.
Innit? Yeah. How long's it been?
What?
Since the wheel bearings been
fucking
making
about a year, mate. Year and a half.
But this is the daily, innit? Who gives a shit about this?
This is the daily.
When's the last time we serviced it? That's the question.
I was gonna go when we picked up. I thought Joe might message a bit earlier. I would go to then fucking say yo, all the old stuff.
Yo, new tops and that. Look at that.
We're certified.
We're certified now, yeah. Even though we've only got 70 subscribers and that. Yeah, we're out here branding everything already. No matter what. We're gonna be pulling up now, yeah. Let's get your reaction and that. What it look like. Just about pulling up.
Oh, just got bonnet open, so it doesn't look fucking good. I told you now.
Where is it?
Ooh, I fucking told you.
Not seen the brakes yet.
I fucking told you, it don't look fucking good.
And bonnets, that doesn't mean it's good.
Pray to Allah.
Go on then, let's see it. Alright, pal.
Alright.
Fucking hell, look at them. What are you saying?
Yo, damn.
Fire, innit? Yo, flash your light quick.
That looks sick.
Fill that caliper in, innit? Sick. Bro.
Yo! I'm not used to this shit. You probably can't even see me, to be honest. Can't see me! Brakes, everything, if you just got into it now. I'm just putting my Asian bangers on 1 minute. But I've not driven this for about a week, innit? Well, 2 weeks. The clutch is a workout. I forgot how heavy the fucking thing was. Let me put my bangers on, man. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. You man don't know about the Asian bangers. Oh yes. Turn that down. Should we go? Can't even fucking see me. Fuck me, these brakes are fucking. Yo, why am I getting gassed over brakes for? Fucking hell. Yo, these are sick. Give a first gear pull. Yo, these brakes are fucking sick. Man had warp discs, 500 horsepower warp discs, and the thing never used to fucking stop. The fucking madness. Fucking Square Gardens. I miss this thing, man. Let's give it a second gear pull. Fucking hell, that is sick.
Bro, I'm doing that. I'm doing that much in the brakes, so like,
yo, I told you, yo, these are sick.
How did, bro? Yo, big brakes is a thing, fam.
Yo, it's sick. They look sick and they do what they fucking say, yo.
They do what they do out of the box, fam.
Fuck me.
Bro, that's like just touching the pedal as well, you know. Bro, what a weapon, fam. Oh yeah, and it feels quick.
Quick, innit?
Because we've been driving that C1. Bro, big brakes on everything.
Madness.
Big brakes the world, bro.
Yeah, 100%.
That's needed, bro. That's silly, that. How you just tapping brakes and they're stopping? Fam, great. Give it your verdict. Was it lethal?
Yo, I forgot how quick this thing was. Bear in mind, I've not drove for 2 weeks.
What's the brake saying in that,
they're
fam?
fucking sick compared to what we were doing when.
So are they fully worth it?
Yeah, 100%.
That's the question, innit?
100%. I wouldn't even fucking think twice.
They look lethal as well, you know.
Yo,
just needs a wash. Oof, once we washed it, oh, lethal bizzle, mate, lethal.
Oh,
Big 500 though, ain't it? Now it stops as well.
We weren't stopping before.
Nah,
you had to.
We warped them discs. I said it in the video earlier that we warped them discs.
There's fucking. I bet everyone can see this.
Oh yeah, but what are you saying though?
I'm fucking gassed.
Big brakes always worth it, yeah? Big power, when you go big power, big brakes.
Yeah. Listen.
Because we were always the boys that said, more power,
Fuck the brakes.
forget the brakes.
Who wants to live these days?
Yeah, that's it.
I'm saying that. Who lives these days?
Yeah, but can leave on the S20 fleet, sexy G. Big brakes on that thing now. Needs a wash though.
Gone for a week, fam.
Yeah, he's been sat around for a week, so he needs a wash. What are we saying next video? POV drive of the 500 horsepower GTI.
Who's doing it? Do you know like Monkey London's got John Action?
Yeah, we're gonna call it John. We're gonna call it Upload Action. To get Upload Action.
Good one. That's Upload Action.
Yeah, so catch us in the next one. Love you and leave you, innit? We'll leave it on these here. Look at them. Look at them sex bombs. I don't know, again, suggest, see if, I don't know.
What colour you want to go?
I don't know, people suggest what colour we should go.
I can't really tell right now because obviously.
Yeah, we need to wash it. But once we washed it, should be able to tell them that. But hopefully, we'll find out soon, innit? Sooner or later. But yeah, that's a buy with the GTR for now.